Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Um Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today this is the one that we did last time. So as I promised, today we're going to make a tutorial on a title screen. Okay. So then first we want to do it. Well, it doesn't have to necessarily be a new project. Maybe we can do it maybe on here. Maybe we can actually do it on here or a new project if you would like. Actually, maybe no. Let's just do it on here. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to add a new backdrop. Okay. So then you paint a backdrop. Okay. You want to put in a start button. Okay. So then maybe we can put in like a square here, there, and then we do text. You can do text, or you want to do paint if you like. I'll do text. I prefer text more. And then, change the color to maybe black so it's more visible. Click here to start. There. Oh wait, it's part of the backdrop. Whoopsie daisies, we're supposed to make this a sprite. Okay, so just how do I? Oh yeah, delete this, and then add it back again. So then paint backdrop. There, and then we make a new sprite. Paint. And then we make a square. Let's do the purple or maybe red square. There we go. The start button. And then text. Sorry. Do black text. Click here to start. There we go. We can put it down here. Okay. And then after that, okay, so then actually when this sprite clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Well, actually maybe we should name them. Like maybe we should switch the backdrop. Backdrop 1, maybe we should like that. Wait a minute. This is okay, this is kind of getting, never mind. Okay, so then when this sprite clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Oh, and also when I clicked switch backdrop to backdrop 2. You can name it like maybe backdrop 1 for the title screen if you want, but I'll just name it, backdrop 1, backdrop 2, just so that, yeah. Okay, and then we don't want this in the title screen, do we? Excuse me. So then we'll do this. When backdrop switches to backdrop 2, actually maybe we should name the stage and should be designer back drop there, and then this one should be, let's name this title screen there. Go save now, remember, save now. Right, when backdrop switches to title screen, there we go. Backdrop switches to title screen, hide. Maybe we can also duplicate that, but then when it goes to designer backdrop, put away the hide and put in the show. There. Okay. you can also transfer these to the other sprites. There. There we go. Okay. Wait, oh, I think we only transferred one of them. Did we? I think I remember we transferred both of them. Wait a minute. Looks like we only transferred one of them. Duplicate. Title screen. Hide. Okay. Same for this one. Drop switches to title screen. Oh, it's already that one. Aha. Oh, actually, we shouldn't do this one. I clicked, but when that one. Excuse me. There. Now we'll just have to do this for this one. When backdrop switches to title screen, show. But then when backdrop switches to designer backdrop, hide. There. There we go. Okay. So this is so then in the title screen, we should add the title probably. Okay, so then maybe you can do text or paint. I'd rather do text. Let's see. Designer. Design the game. There. There we go. Now, let's try it out for ourselves. Okay, so the robot designer, the game. Okay, to start. There we go. Perfect. Right, and then, yay! Okay, everyone, so that's all for today's video. Maybe in the next Scratch video, we can put in a tutorial on how to make, how to put in music, because it doesn't really have music in this, so it's kind of boring. Okay, everyone. Oh, and also when I mean music, maybe not just the original Scratch music, but also other music from other, or maybe not, maybe just regular Scratch music, but okay. Okay, everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.